What's up, guys? It's Ryan with AOMC. I'm back again. Today I wanted to just take a quick moment and show you the 6 days bike that has popped up in a lot of the media coverage of the 2023 Enduro launch, which would be the XCW and EXC lines. If you're not familiar, XCW, not street legal in the US. EXC is going to be your dual sports. You know, over in Europe across the pond, they're all EXCs. I've dropped a couple videos on the new XCWs and EXCs. There's really nothing new about them besides the looks. They are a year behind the XCs and SXs when it comes to a generational change. But what I haven't shown you is the picture of the 6 days bike. And I will tell you, the 6 days bike, it's a special edition KTM does, if you're not familiar with it. And basically, KTM does a different 6 day special edition every year to honor the FIM International 6 Days Enduro race, which usually takes place in a different country every year. This year it's in France, so we get a beautiful red, white, and blue color scheme, which is pretty cool if you're from the US as well, because it's our colors too, right? These bikes are usually available for dealers to order a little later, and I don't know where some of these pictures came from, because I know for a fact these bikes aren't in the US dealer order packets yet, so I don't know when for sure these will be ordered. But I want to show you the picture of one anyway because they look sweet. Normally they do a 300 XCW version and a 500 EXC version. And basically it's just, you know, it's the same bike, but it comes with some bling. You get the triple clamps, and usually get a front axle puller, a special seat, you know, just some special protection pieces. I'm pretty sure they usually come with a rotor guard and maybe a sprocket, some stuff like that, but they look absolutely sick. A couple years ago, I can't remember, was it Spain or Italy, that has the red, white, and green flag, and that bike was so cool looking. There's a Portugal bike a couple years ago that was sick looking. These are some of my favorite bikes, so just a really cool thing for the dealer to have on the showroom floor. What do you guys think about it? The other special edition when it comes to off-road bikes that we wait on is the Erzberg Rodeo. Usually it's announced sometime during the summer, but I can't decide between the two which one I like better. So wanted to show you guys this. Don't know when they're going to be ordered, don't know when they're going to come in, but at least they're showing us a sneak peek of what they're going to look like. So yeah, guys, appreciate that. And just a reminder, all these videos are sponsored by AOMC.mx, and if you could buy your KTM parts from them, you're supporting me at no extra cost to you. Plus you get free shipping on orders 99 bucks or more. You're going to earn BRAP cash rewards on everything I throw back. We'd really appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you all in the next video.